Model, 71 Mercedes-Benz Vito 110 Progressive 1.6 CDI starts runs needs oil pump repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 48,735. Engine, 1,749 CCOM 622 DE17LA100 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Oil light on the dash. Engine starts and sounds perfect for oil pressure light is on. We suspect it needs oil pump. Replacing should be a straightforward repair job, engine and everything else mechanically is perfect. Could be simple sensor or wiring issue but not too sure, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, cruise control, sat-nav, electric windows. Euro status, ULEZ compliant. HP